Your girl's back with the fire. Come on, yeah. Okay, not come on, yeah. Come on. This video's gonna have she back, all types of bloopers. Stay locked up. Woo! I'm not gonna scream at y'all. I'll probably put that in the bleepers. Who cares? Who cares? I'ma be living that good, yeah. What's up, Locked Up Gang? It's your girl, Locked Up, coming to you live. It's been mad long, right? I think it's been like 5 years long. Oh, hell no. My bad. My bad, y'all. What is up, gang? I am back. You already know I'm about to come with the flames. We bringing the flames out. We got fresh new videos coming your way. Hot videos on locks. Pop that music if you ready for it. I mean, we coming with the fire. Anything you need to know, I got to tell you. We got a lot to talk about. Didn't change. Watch it. We different, okay? I would like to say thank you for you all staying and rocking with your girl. I truly appreciate y'all. You don't even know how much I love y'all. And I apologize for leaving y'all so long, but I'm back and we coming with a video every week. So be prepared to see a video every Thursday from your girl. It's coming. Are you ready? Are you ready? I miss y'all. Thank y'all for rocking with me. I do see the comments. I'm getting to the comments. I'm gonna respond. We are about to make this pop. Let me know in the comments. Talk to me, baby. Woo! Come on, talk to me. Tell me how your lock journeys are going. Give me the updates. Give me the deets. Tell me what's going on. Put my ear to the street. I'm trying to hear you. So thanks, y'all. Your girl's back. I just had to let you know. Yes, I had to let you know real quick. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I will see you next Thursday. Is you ready? Yeah. I'll see y'all next week. Peace.